So guys, good afternoon, good evening, shikamo, shalom, good night, evening, good morning, wagwan, wagwan. Watu wangu, Mama Suji right here, going to survey the site. That is how it's looking now. See, that's what they are doing. That is how it's going. Here, they are doing what? Is it called shuttering? Yeah. So that is how things are. I want to go and survey and see what is going on. You can see the contractor's car right there. Yeah. Let me go and just see what is going on. What is going on right there. So that's beautiful. Beautiful. So, yeah. So we are supposed to go that way and then another one, and then we are finished with that level. We shall finish that level. Wow. It looks nice. It looks nice. So, yeah, but I told these guys the stones are injuring the wall. The stones are injuring there. And then this one has not been carried. Well, a lot of work here because this one has to go in. It was being carried yesterday. It seems today it didn't. They did not. Let me see what is going on. Yeah. So this is how things have been here. Yeah. This is the sand, the stones. How are you?
I'm fine. What about you?
I'm okay. Oh, thank you. Oh, this one has not been used yet. I thought it was required that time.
Yes, we went far.
Oh,
Still on the way.
okay. Thank you. Yeah, so this is what is going on here. Yeah. Jambo?
Jambo sana.
Ehe. Oh, wewe ndio unazikunja? Hii ni 10. D10. D10. Ah, okay. Ah. Yeah, so let me go and see what is going on. Yeah. That's binding wire. I was told it's finished, but I can see they are still using what they had. Yeah. Huh? Jambo. Jambo. Nimesha. Haya. Maji natokea huko. Let me go and see up here what is happening. Yeah. Aki, they are injuring the nini na hizo vitu. Watatoboa. Watatoboa. Oh. So that way. So that is what is happening here. That way. That is the happening. The happenings like that. Let me go up. Working on the D10 right there. And then we continue surveying what is going on here. This is what is going on here. You see? Wow. And here, we now have water. The pipe is right there. This area is like this. Let's go and see how things have been here. Oh. So they do that. Pipe for water is right here. So it's long enough. It's long enough. Yeah. Jambo. Okay. So we are watering. Yeah. Habari yenu? Okay. Wa. Maji imemwagika. We. Jambo. So, they are doing that. Habari yenu? Wow. Oh, hii imebaki? Oh, ni huko. Still. They are like that. This one now. Yeah. Oh. This. Okay. Okay, they want to fix that one there. Yeah. This is how it is. Yeah. So that goes there. From up here is what you can see. You can see. And the neighborhood from up here, you can see that. That house was not there when I started building, but right now we have a house there and a wall. These ones have always been there. This one, children's home, has always been here. The other one we started with, yeah, and then those ones came later, and now it's a whole village, a nice one right there. So you can see. Yeah. So this is how things are. Yeah. And, yeah. So guys, this is how things are. These are the columns right there. Can see that? So now they've put the concrete inside these ones. Yeah. Yeah, there's a lot of water there. There's a lot of water. Let me note. And then that is done up to that level. And then this one. Yeah. So this is how it has been done. Oh. Wow. So, they up to here. That way and the other way. There's a problem here, but maybe, I don't know. Yeah. So that one is like that. They've done like that. Like that, like that. This one, they've not poured yet. It is ready for tomorrow. Let me see. This is how things are. So what have not been done is 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, this is timber work has not been done. And then this side is like that, like this, like this. Wow. Yeah. Then so this is like that, like this, like this. So this side they've not yet done the timber work. Timber work has not been finished. So yeah. Work is being done like that. Oh. Then now have that bit. So the whole of that side has not been done. Timber work maybe 4 or 5 places. No, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 not then done. Then these ones are 1, 2, 3, Four already done. And now this other side is now the meter. The meter. It has not been done. But it will be done. It will be done. So that is the neighborhood, guys. And my bit. Let me put this one here. Yeah, this one is here to be put at his place. I think there's one place. Let me see which place they've not put yet. Let me see which area. This side is there. This side is there. This one is here. Oh, this one hasn't been put. So yeah. And then the timber work for 1, 2, 3, 4 has not been done. 4 plus this one 5 plus this one is 5 timber work 5. Yeah, so those timber work plus what have not been filled like this, it is 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 plus 5, 9. That is 4 plus 5 is 9. 4 plus 5 makes it 9. Yeah. The ones that have not been filled. 4 plus 5 is 9. 9. Yeah. So yeah, guys, this is the position and this is the stage at which we are now on this work. So thank you, guys. Yeah, I think I should end this vlog on construction at this point. Thank you so much and bye.